Hi guys, I'm gonna show you what I did to fix my DVD player on my Xbox One X because I was getting a blank screen and I googled it and no one was really saying like how to fix it, and I'm thinking, okay, I did more searching and it's called what you got to do is a hard power cycle on your Xbox One X. So you hold the button, your power button on the console for 10 seconds until it switches off. Once it switches off, just turn it back on, and that should fix it. That's what it fixed my DVD player, because once I did that, my DVD came up, and I had a blank screen before. So try that out, guys. Yeah. Let me run that back again. Your console, make sure you've downloaded the Blu-ray app on your Xbox One X first before doing this. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until it switches off, and then turn it back on. That's called a hard power cycle, and that should sort your problem out. All right, guys, take it easy.